Guys, good evening. Kumakain kami ng aking darling, si Mama Josie Avelino Ocampo ng ice cream na tinda ng aming anak na si Ate Joy. Ito yung pangalan ng ice cream, guys. Taro Crispy Ice. Taro Crispy Ice Cream. Wow. Tag-isa kami. Kaya lang inubos niya na kaagad. Ang lakas kumain ng ice cream ni Ate Josie. Mama, wala yung mga bata dito, so kami lang dalawa. Wow, nag-ice cream kami. Please subscribe, God's Glory Vlogger, para makatulong tayo sa mga nangailangan, to help the needy people, poorest of the poor people in our country, the sick people, servants of God, children of God, family of God, members of the church that cannot able to attend the church service because of there's no job in the whole week or the whole month. And we will help the sick people, the orphans, all people that need our help from God. God's Glory Vlogger. Please subscribe. Please. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.